Alright. Here's my version of Tom's Techniques clamp knurling tool. I did some things a little different because I wanted to, some things because I had to. So, made the bodies about the same as what he had. I hadn't done any radiusing on mine yet, but maybe one of these days I'll get to that. And my knurls, I already had these. He called for a 1/4 inch, let's see, 5/8 by 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch knurl. Well, mine were 5/8 diameter, and I believe they were thicker than 1/4 inch, and they had a 7/32 pin. Maybe that is 1/4 inch. Quick measure on that, so just those things. Let's see. Yeah, no, there looks to be they're wider than 1/4 inch, but these came from Inco. So if you're gonna make yours exactly like his, I had to make the pins. All I had was some mild steel for now. I'll eventually get me some drill rod and turn it down to size and harden it. But for now, I've tried them on aluminum and they work pretty good. Drop them in yonder like that. And I milled a little slot in mine on the top because the set screws were causing it to bind, and had a pretty tight fit in there, not super tight, but good enough. And Butterfingers wasn't holding my mouth right, I guess. Burn that hole. Let's see. There we go. Yeah. Still just wasn't holding my mouth right. There's the set screws. And under. End adjustments. Those in. Mine, I didn't really want to tie up another tool holder, so I just made one just for the knurling tool. Just drilled and tapped it just like he had, but instead of the slot, I cut a dovetail to fit right on my BXA tool post, and that goes on there like that. Ah, you silly birds. Making a racket. I had a lot of fun building this. I don't know a whole lot about machining. Those silly chickens and guineas, they just. Yep, okay. And then a little cover plate. And special there. Just, I didn't radius the corners yet. So maybe one day. Oh, come on. Yeah. See that. That'll show it pretty good. That's aluminum. I knurled that with it. First dovetail I've ever cut. That was fun too. I had another piece. Let's see. Here it is. Yeah, that's not as good a knurling as it got better as I went along. Not too bad. And that's just aluminum, but it works. Anyway, so there we go. So that's my version of Tom's techniques. Clamp knurling tool. See y'all.